It's definitely in here, and today we're going to be making scrambled eggs. So first, you turn the heat on. It's between 4 and 2. Just let that heat up for a little bit, and then while it's heating up, you grab a butter knife. And grab a little bit of butter and put it in the pan. Yeah. Now I'm gonna melt that around. Just lift it up. You can set your butter knife down on a napkin or somewhere. Then you just lift it around. Make sure almost every spot gets some butter. So it looks kind of like this when you're almost done. Just let all the butter melt. And while that's melting, grab a bowl and a fork and crack your egg. If it's easier, grab a little bowl and crack it in. Or you could just do it my way. Okay. Make sure, try not to put any eggshells in there. I saw I got one. So, I got actually 2. So now I'm gonna have to get them out. Got one out. One little one left. These ones are really hard to get out. So I got it. There. Now mix up your egg, beat your egg. And then it will look like this. When that's all done and it looks like this, pour it into your pan. Try to get all of it out of your bowl. And just do a little. Just wait a couple seconds. And maybe while you're waiting a couple seconds, if you had to get your hands in the yolk or you got the yolk on your hands, just wash them. So that took a little bit, and now you're gonna scoop it and let all the other batter or egg yolk go down. This egg. Then it's pretty hard. Just try to flip your egg. You have to just break the egg up into little pieces and just flip them. There. Just wait a little bit till your eggs are kind of like this. Okay. And grab a plate and a fork. And grab your eggs. Oopsies. Can I get this little egg out? Okay, and then remember that salt I told you guys about? Use some of salt and just sprinkle it on there. Oh, this is, I did a little too much, but that's okay. I'm gonna turn this off. There. And if you get a little too much salt, just put it around on the eggs. And this is how your eggs should turn out.